everyone, welcome back to Vani. So hope you all are doing well. So in the previous session we have discussed about the square root of the number, square root of infinite series when they are in product, right? Now today we are going to discuss about square root of the infinite series when they are in addition. So when they are adding like root 2 plus root 2 root plus root 2 plus root 2 up to infinity. So how we are going to do? First we'll see the step-by-step procedure for it. Then next we'll go for the trick behind it. Two tricks are there. Clear? That two tricks if you wanted to know, so you are going to watch the video till the end. Then only you are going to know the two tricks behind it. Clear? So watch the video till the end, and if you don't know how to find out the infinite series if they are in product, then the video is in my description box. You can go through and clearly understand. It's too easy, I think so. So after seeing the video, you are also going to think it is too easy. Clear? So then shall we start our session? So before going into the session, please do like, share and subscribe, and share the video with your friends too. It will be useful for everyone. So shall we start our session? Today our session is about square root of infinite series when they are in addition. When they are in addition, how to do it? So first today we'll take about example root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. So root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus so on infinity. So first how to do it generally, like mathematically step-by-step procedures we'll be having now. That I am going to explain you. It will be useful for your board examinations, written examinations and competitive examination directly by using the formula, whatever the trick I am giving you. By that you can use and you can say your answer. But even we should know the step-by-step procedure which will be very useful for you all. Clear? So first equate this equation with the x. So let us take this equation as x. Okay. Now step 1 is what? X is equals to root over 2 plus 2 so on infinity. Now step 2 is what? Means squaring on both the sides. So when I square, what happens? See, 2 plus 2, root 2 plus root 2 so on infinity. So squaring on both sides. So the first square root, whatever is there for the 2, that will get cancelled. Clear? Then x square is equals to 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 so on infinity. Then, so we know what is this? This is equals to x. So x square plus 2 plus, x square is equals to 2 plus x. Here, x square is equals to 2 plus x. Now, get this side, bring this side 2 and so it becomes x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Can we find out the roots for the quadratic equations? Yes. So how you will find out? So x square minus, so the product should be minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into 1, it should be, product should be minus 2. When we add that 2 also, we should get the answer as 2. So minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Roots, we are going to find out the roots of the x here. So what was the condition for it? 2 should be multiplied with 1, minus 2. When we multiply, we should get the minus 2. When we add, we should get minus 1. So that numbers we have to take. So 2i minus 2i and 1 are our numbers. So minus 2 plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now from this I am taking out x minus 2 plus 1. Why? Because we are going to take a common from here. So that's the reason x minus 2. Here the common, here what the number is? Here what is the equation is x minus 2. So 1, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now see, so x minus 2 is common, then x plus 1 is equals to 0. From this we can find out our x values here. X minus 2 is equals to 0, that implies x is equals to 2. Then x plus 1 is equals to 0, that implies x is equals to minus. Now, the quadratic equation value for this equation, so the value may be in negative value? No, right? So, our answer will not be in negatives. So, the answer is what? X is equals to 2. What is the answer here? X is equals to 2. So, this is what the step-by-step procedure which will be useful for the children who are going to write it in our examination, because teachers are going to check it out step-by-step procedure only, right? So, we should know all the step-by-step procedure. So, one thing, in the maths, if you follow the rules, step-by-step procedure only, you are going to get a correct and accurate answer. If not, we are going to do somewhere a mistake. Clear? Always learn the step-by-step procedures too. And now today we are going to see a trick now, which is very easy. That is, just I'll give you one formula, you have to substitute in it. So this formula is useful for the competitive examinations, right? Just remember the formula. Whenever you see this sort of series, automatically you are going to use that formula. The formula is here root over 4n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. See, I'll substitute the same. N value means what here? 2. N means what? 2. So, root over 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Now, root over 4 to the 8 plus 1 by 2. Root over 9 plus 1 by 2. That implies root of 3 is how much? 3, right? Sorry, root of 9 is how much? 3, right? Root of 9 is 3 plus 1 by 2. That is 4 by 2. That implies, now 4 by 2 means what? 2. So, answer is same, right? Answer is same. Answer is same. Here the answer is same, right? 2 and 2. So, you can use this method for the written purpose and you can use this method for your competitive examinations. Clear? So, in this way, we can easily find out the root, some of the root which are in the series method. So, if you want, I am going to explain you the another example. We'll see the example of root over 6. Clear? See, another trick also I said you, right? See, another trick for it is what means, now see the next number I'll say you. So, I'll be keeping this equation like this. For the next number, I'll say you the example, another trick also for it. So, which is very easy. Easier than this. Okay? So, by using our second trick, we are going to find out. Why? Because we have clearly understood our step-by-step method, right? It will be little time consuming. But we'll be using our second trick and then we'll find out the value. Yeah. Then your next example I am taking it 6 plus root 6 plus so on, infinity is equals to x. Sorry, infinity value we wanted to know. Clear? So now, what the formula we are going to use? The formula, by using the formula we are going to find out. Root over 4n plus 1 by 2. N value is what? 6, right? Root over 4 into 6 plus 1 by 2. Okay? Now root over 24 plus 1 by 2. Okay? Now root over 25 plus 1 by 2. Now root of 25 is how much? 5, right? So 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. So your answer is what? 3. So what is the answer for this? The answer is 3 here. Here the answer is 2. Right? Now, here. So even another trick I am saying, carefully you listen. See, even we'll find out for root 5 and root 5. See, then we can easily compare where to use that trick. So that trick is not useful for all the numbers. For only specific numbers, we are going to use that trick. So that's the reason I am taking one more example here. See that. 5 plus root to 5 plus so on infinity. Now substitute 4n plus 1 by 2. So root over 4, 5 plus 1 by 2. So your answer will be 21 plus 1 by 2. Clear? Now, So 3 examples I have explained, right? Now for one is 2, see carefully. The another one is 6, then the other one is 5. So we can more easily we can say the answer if a number is a consecutive product of any 2 other numbers. 2 is a consecutive product of any 2 other numbers like 2 into 1. Now 6 consecutive products means continuity in numbers should be there. 1, 2. 6 can be written like this. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 5 can be written like this. No. 5 into 1. They are not continuity numbers, right? They are not consecutive numbers. So, consecutive product numbers only we are going to use this trick. So where a number can be written in their consecutive products, then we have to write it in the consecutive products like 2 into 1, 2 into 3. Right? Their highest product number we have to take as a answer for this. So for 2, what will be the answer? 2 will be the answer. For 6, what will be the answer? 3 will be the answer. But for 5, can we reuse that method? No. So before, if they have given you the number 12 in place of 6, again they have given you the 12. At that time 12 can be written as consecutive products? Yes. 3 into 4. Now what will be the answer for it? It is 4. Clear? By seeing the number itself, we can say whether the answer we can say it on our mouth. If they are having a consecutive products, then we can say it the answer directly. By products, you should write the larger one. So biggest or a larger answer you have to take. The largest number you have to take it as an answer. If not, then go for the formula. Just to remember the formula, that is root over 4n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. By using that formula, you are going to easily find out for all the numbers. So little time consumption. Little. If you know like any other number they have given, 30 they have given, then you can write it in consecutive numbers, right? 30. 5 6 are 30. The 30. For 30, what will be the answer? 6. So in examination time, competitive exams, we are going to use this method. We should check. We have to check. And then use the correct trick for that. Clear? So I think so. This video is going to be helpful for you a lot. And you people watch till the end and even share with your friends. And please comment to me how is it useful to you people or not. Clear? I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you. Stay tuned to Vani Vision.